If your Roblox account is restricted from publishing, here's how to check this restriction and fix it step by step. First, log into your Roblox account on the website. Go to Settings, then Security and Settings, then Privacy. Check for any account restrictions, warnings, or verification prompts. Accounts with incomplete verification or recent violations may be blocked from publishing. Next, open Settings, then Account Info, and confirm your email is verified. If required, complete ID or age verification since unverified accounts may have publishing limits. Also, review any moderation messages in your Roblox inbox. After completing verification, log out and log back in to refresh your account status. Open Roblox Studio and try publishing again. If the restriction is still active, contact Roblox support and include your username and screenshots of the restriction notice. That's how to fix a Roblox account restricted from publishing issue.